Your AI video looking like dubbed kung fu movies?
After I beat you, we'll see your master, Jeshe.
Don't panic. All you need is DaVinci, Premiere Pro, or CapCut. And let me show you how to fix this in 4 steps. All right, step 1, make the clip. When it comes to video creation, you have different options. There's Field 3, Soar 2. If you don't know what to pick, Higgsfield is a very good option. As you can see, they have a little bit of everything. So you can pay about $40 a month and you can choose any of the following to create your video. And not all AI creation tools are made the same either. So Kling is one of the most cost-effective ones. And it makes a lot of sense if you're doing a lot of social media stuff. So you can save costs in that sense. However, maybe you want to do some type of debut launch. You want to pull out the big guns. You can opt for VO3. So Higgsfield is a good option to get your feet wet, get familiar with the prompts, and see the differences between the video and imaging creation tools. Oh, side note. Make sure when you generate your clip, you're getting audio as well. Some video generation tools don't have audio, so whatever you use, it needs to have audio. Step 2, line up the song to the clip. With your video editor of choice, mine is Premiere Pro. Put your song in on the timeline, then put the video right on top of it. Next, we're going to break the clip word by word into pieces. So within each clip, you're going to look at the audio belonging to the clip and break up each word and syllable. From there, we're just going to match it up. Step 4, match the word, i.e. mouth, to the music. Hey, if you find this valuable, subscribe for more like this. Back to the program. Now that we have everything lined up, if the word in the video is too fast and you can tell by the wavelength, then we're going to slow the clip down. And if it's too slow, then we're going to speed it up. So once again, first you break up each word belonging to the audio clip, right, by each syllable and even word, and then you just compare it back and forth between the two. And after that, it's all a matter of adjusting the speed levels.
Cut the hours, cut the snap, cut the hours, cut the snap.
And that's it.
Woke up again. It sounds the same.